This is Fred Wahl, the Visa Coach, and today's topic is what are the financial eligibility requirements for a CR1 spouse visa in 2018?
Visa Coach. Fast, easy, and personal.
I am Fred Wahl, the Visa Coach, and I am known for the personal, one-on-one relationship that we share. That's you, me, and your partner as we work together as a team to overcome the many challenges of immigration. Please don't risk your happiness. Don't go this course alone. Alone, it's far too easy to make the mistakes that cause tears, delays, and expensive denials. Do just pick up the phone and speak with me directly so that, well, you and I can get to know each other. And this is the complimentary case evaluation I talk about later. If we are compatible, well, that'll be the beginning of our beautiful relationship to get you the immigration approvals that you need. Now, this is what two of my clients, Andrew and Beatrice, had to say. Beatrice comes from Zambia, and I helped her get her CR1 spouse visa. Hello, Fred Wahl. We'd like to thank you for all of your hard work. We are so very thankful for your help, for your guidance, and to help us get united. It's been a long journey. We faced many tests, trials, and tribulations. It was a very big storm that we thought would never end. It felt like a hurricane that blasted through, then a blizzard, then another hurricane. At times we felt so lost. We hung in there, and in the end, you were there to help us. We are thankful that we found Visa Coach. If anybody is needing help, would love to send them to you, Fred Wahl. We may never have met, but your word is good, and you're loyal and faithful to your work. You don't just see your clients or people as money. You help Zoom. You never give up on them, no matter how tough the situation is. God bless you and your family. We give you many thanks, Visa Coach. Again, thank you for reuniting me and my wife and son. Well, you are most welcome, Andrew and Beatrice. Now, let's talk about what are the financial eligibility requirements for a CR1 spouse visa. In order to successfully petition for your spouse to immigrate to the USA, you, the U.S. sponsor, must demonstrate that you have enough income coming in to support your spouse and household. The financial requirement is that your income is equal to and over 125% of the poverty income level where you live. Now, each year, the Department of Health and Human Services publishes their poverty guidelines, what they think you should have where you live. The new poverty guidelines for 2018 have risen about $200 from last year. So as of March 2018, for residents in the continental U.S., the financial eligibility requirements for permanent residency are as follows. The required annual income is $20,575 if there are two persons in the family or household, $25,975 if three persons in the household, $31,375 if four persons in the household, and for each additional person add $5,400. Now, these financial eligibility thresholds are lower if you're active military and higher for residents who live in Alaska or Hawaii. How to prove your income? Well, normally you provide your most recent tax return, 3 to 6 pay stubs showing your year-to-date earnings, plus a letter from your employer confirming your job and what your expected annual pay is. Now, if your income might be low, but you have, well, money in the bank, your cash assets can be used as an alternative for the annual income. Cash assets are assets which can be easily converted, sold to cash. For example, stocks, bonds, certificates of deposit, and actual cash in the bank. You may have a lot of other assets, such as your car, boat, coin collection, business, or investment property, but because these cannot be easily turned into cash, immigration will not accept them as alternatives to your annual income. The one exception to an asset that is hard to convert, but it can be counted, is your home. If the market value of your home is higher than the mortgage, you may use this equity just like a cash asset. Now, in general, $5 of cash assets is the equivalent of $1 of annual income. So, for example, if your household is just, well, you and your new spouse, you need to prove you have $20,575 annual income. But let's say you have no income, but you do have cash. In that case, you would need to have, well, $20,575 times 5, or $102,875 of cash assets in the bank to qualify. Alternatively, a combination of income and assets could work. For example, your income is, say, $10,000 per year. The calculation of how many cash assets you would need would be as follows. So we start with $20,575 annual requirement. Subtract the $10,000 income that you have, leaving a shortfall of $10,575. Then $10,575 times 5 equals $52,875, and that's the amount of cash assets you'd need to have in the bank to qualify. But what if you don't have enough income or assets? Well, in that case, you can ask a relative or friend to act as a joint sponsor. Just like buying a car, your joint sponsor would co-sign your loan. Now, in this case, when you use a joint sponsor, the total size of, well, the household calculation increases. Now we combine all the people in your household plus those in your joint sponsor's household. For example, you ask your father to joint sponsor, and your household is just 2 persons, you and your new spouse. But your father's household is your father, mother, and the 2 children still living at home. Thus, the combined household would be 6 persons, and the combined income of both sponsor and joint sponsor would need to be enough to support them, and that's over $42,175 or more to qualify. This was Fred Wahl, the Visa Coach. Now, please like or add your comments to this video, and then go to VisaCoach.com and sign up for the VisaCoach monthly newsletter. Each month it is full of tips and advice on marriage-based immigration. And well, it's free of charge. And when you sign up, you get 2 free eBooks that I have written. 120 K1 Visa interview practice questions, and also 5 things you must know before starting your visa. Finally, when you are ready to get started, call me for your complimentary case evaluation and speak with me directly.
Before starting on your immigration adventure, before entering an arcane maze of rules, regulations, and procedures, before committing yourself to a risky path that could mean an end to your happiness, speak with the Visa Coach and ask for his free case evaluation. He listens to you to learn the red flags and strengths of your case, your eligibility and goals. He will suggest which visa is right for you, the best strategy to get it, and how soon your love could join you. Visa Coach's friendly advice and support might make the difference between approval and denial, and could save you months or years of loneliness and separation. What have you got to lose? Book your free evaluation today.